Hi, today I'm going to show you how can you edit your videos using the prompt edit feature in Ekly. So the first step is we upload the video that we want to edit. So I'll just use a video. So you can see this is a perfectly fine video. The only thing that I want to change in this video is I want the girl to wear a hat. So we can make such changes using the prompt edit feature. So the first step is we select the section of the timeline that we want to edit. So I want the entire girl to be wearing the hat all the time. So I will select that area and I will describe my change. And we keep the audio as it is. This feature also has an option to add lip sync. So this is also an option that you can use. For now, we'll just stick with the hat prompt. So let's hit generate. We have a result. Let's see it. Yes. So when you're happy with the result, you can just use this to stitch this video on top of your original video. So you can do it again. Now this is our video that we can use. Yeah. So this is how you use prompt edit in Ekly to edit an existing video. Thank you. Visit now.